Let's practice a gravitational potential energy problem. This type of potential energy has an equation of mgh, where m stands for mass in kilograms, g is a constant of 9.8 meters per second squared, and h is height measured in meters. The problem says Russell has a mass of 30 kilograms and is 900 meters above the ground. What is his gravitational potential energy? Let's put all the data in a table. It says that Russell has a mass of 30 kilograms, so m is equal to 30 kilograms. We also know that g is a constant of 9.8 meters per second squared. It also says that the height is 900 meters, so h is equal to 900 meters. Now that we have all this information, let's go ahead and plug the numbers into the equation. So we have 30 times 9.8 times 900, which ends up being 264,600, and the units for energy are joules, so let's add a J right here. So Russell's potential energy is 264,600 joules.